Right, good morning everyone. Now, somebody asked me when I was doing the metal kits for metalwork that was large. They wanted large pieces. Well, I found these. Not sure if they're any good to you. But if they are, these are vintage. They're really old. And they're heavy. This one is beautiful, but that can be taken off. Really nice. And that was, the draw handle would be above that, below it, whatever. There's a couple of those as well. So yeah, this is one job lot. That's because I'd tried something with it and it did look alright. But I did so many and used mine. And then that one. So, for that lady, which I've looked on the website, on the video, but your name's gone. With your comment, you said, can I film it for you? To sew, you know, up front. So I need to know. I need to know. Do you still want them? If you do, let me know, because they're there. And they'll just come in that little box. Right, so apart from that, now let me just see. I've just come across these. I want to finish that, so I'm going to finish this today. So it has to be done. I need to finish this because I have to finish painting. That needs gluing back in, these. And then I need to paint the gold back onto there. So I've got that to finish. I might do that after. Yeah, I've got a little brush. Oh, do you know what? I'll do it now, I think. And then it's done with. So I'm just going to do that. But I've just come across these now. I think I was going to do that lantern, if you remember. So I'm going to think of what to do with those. For sure. Right, there I am. Yeah, so I've just got a piece of this. And I'm going to pad this out. Cover it with that. And I don't know what else I'm going to do with it. We shall see. But first of all, I'm just going to go around the edge of that to finish this off. And then I can glue that bit back in as well. There you go, that's all we need. And that's that done. Now, like I said, I'm going to do this. I do have some wadding. I need to cut this off. It's on the end, you always get that that's perforated. See, like that. So, I'm just going to try it this way. It probably is the wrong way, but you know me, I don't care. Yeah, right, let me just turn my stick the other way. And we can do that. Oops a daisy. Pull it off, mate. Like that. And then all I'm going to do is to chop that bit off. And glue this bit in. Like that. I think that'll be enough to stretch over. Yeah, it will. It will, it will, it will. So all I've got to do now is stuff it. You're going, what? Yeah. So, in order to do that, I'm going to glue this first section. No, I'm not. I was going to glue that down, but I don't actually want to glue that down just yet. Yeah, we need to put a little bit of wadding in there, I think. Okie dokie. Break this wadding up. And it's going to go, see, like that. Dead easy, not hard. Let me just see. Yeah, that'll do. So, all I have to do to start with is to do that bit first. Because you can start filling in from the sides. and then push that last bit on like that. And then all we have to do is to snip off the excess. Like that. Let me just glue that bit on. Like that. Make sure it's all done. Yeah, that's done. See, and now we've got a nice thing that we can hang and put something on it. So I'm going to turn it into a hanger, so I need to get something here. Now let me just get some ribbon. Oh no, hang on a minute. We have this cording. It's woolen cording, and you can put wire through it. So if you're making animals, you can make their arms and legs with it, which I'll show you again. But what I'm going to do is, there's the join. So I've padded it now, but I'm going to use this to make a hanger. So obviously I'm going to need so much there, and then we're only gonna make a small hanger. Like that. We don't need anything major. I'm going to be covering the back anyway. But then I've got some, well I did have, I'm not sure if I've still got it actually. Now I don't have anything this colour, but we're going to make something, we think. Yeah, see, I like that. Right, okay. Oops. Seal that off. I'm going to pop a bit of glue on it. I'm going to do that on the back side of it. And see, I don't want to waste loads by wrapping it round like that, because I'm going to waste it, and I've only got this piece left. So what I'm going to do is just do it like that. So let's get this going. Let me just measure that. So if I'm going to do that to that, you're getting yourself in a bit of a tizzy. God. Right, that's how much I need. So let's have a look. I just didn't want to waste it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. We'll do 6. That's 4, 5, 6. 6 pieces. And I've still got plenty left. So that's there. I'm going to put one bang in the middle. There. Like that. Push that through. And wrap that back round. Like that. Oh, that's nice, isn't it? That's quite nice. Right, So we've got one there, we're going to need one here. See? Is that about right? Maybe not. A bit there. Oh, why is it when I start a project, I always end up no glue? Now what it is, it's heating up in the glue gun, in the shaft, and it's when it gets too hot, it will start to melt. To stop the glue stick itself from going down the channel. Yeah, with these glue guns, see, if you leave, this is why they say don't leave it on, turn it off when you're not using it, because they take seconds to warm up. But the glue heats up here in this chamber, in the shaft, and then you can't, when you press it, it doesn't push, there's no tightness there to push, or no solidness to push the glue stick through. So that's what happens. So sometimes it's easier to turn them off for a little bit. Anyway, we've got that. I'm quite happy with that. Now I'm going to put another one directly opposite. Like that. That should be alright. Yeah, I'm alright with that. See, it just gives it a nice pattern. And now I want to hang something from here. I need to see what I've got. So let me look at my embellishment box. Do you know what I have got? Oh yes, look at that. Yes. Now I need to fix this up because I've had this a very long time. Let me just... that's it. Let's get this together. We need to make sure it's... Oh, that's going to look stunning, isn't it? Now, why is that hanging over the bird? Ah, you got your tail caught, mate. Oh no, I think it's supposed, there's 3 birds in there, black, white and red. So now I want my larger pins. So let's get a few of those. Need a bit of chain. There's my chain at the back. Oh, it's heavy. Perfect chain. Find the end of this, because I'm not sure how big I actually want this to be. I might double the chain, to be honest. Okay. This sort of fabric, I love playing with it. Now, I'm going to have to pop this chain, I think. You little birdie has to stay there where you are. unfortunately, it's the wires you've got to get right. Well, he doesn't have to be perfect, does he? So, let me just see if I can get this. No, I'm not going to do that. Where did I put that one I just had? There is a little hoop. Just there. Now, I'm going to attach that. Just use my pliers. Like that. I'm going to take another piece. Get the chain. Put the chain through that. Now, for now, I need to work out how long I need it. So there's the central. Ah, right, that's way too big. Okay, so I'm going to have to snip some of that off. Let's try this again. No, still too. Well, mind you, it's got to go on the back, hasn't it? We're going to pin this on the back. Right, okay. Okay, we'll move that down a bit. So I'm just going to move that, squeeze it in a little bit. Like that. And then what I can do, because that's going to hang in the middle. Oh, that's gorgeous. Look at that. So that will now get glued onto the back. Oh, that is so... I wish you could see it. You'll see the picture in a minute. That is just so cute. So now, obviously, I want to dress it. How? What do we put on it? Orange goes well with chocolate, doesn't it? Do I have anything orange? No. I've got some orange flowers. I do. Now, I've got these. Little orange, and they go with brown, don't they? I have to get this right. I'm going to put that there. Ooh, me likey. I'll change my mind. Me likey. See? Got that one now. Got a diamante wing and it's chain. And I do like that. So, let's have a look at this one. That needs going onto there. Hope you can see. Let that dry a little bit. Now, let me just see. Yes, definitely. That can actually be moved up slightly as well, so I'm going to move that up. Like that. pop that on there. That's it. Yes, much better. Oh wow, me likey. Me wow, it droppy. It hadn't dried. Just keep it on there, Fee. Now, what I need to do is to cover the back. And, do you know what as well? I'm not too sure if... I want to put a little bit of, just a bit more trimming on there. I don't want any more flowers or anything like that. But what I have got is this orange and gold sort of thing. Silk thread. Gotta wrap this up on my fingers a minute. Okay. Actually, I like that. So, what I'm going to do is I want 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 pieces. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, that one's gone lighter because it's like a two-tone one. So I'm going to cut that bit off and go back to being the goldy colour. Move that out of the way. We use that for something else. Two, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay. It just needs a little bit more lightness to it. So what I'm going to do is just do this. Just do it like you see, like that. It just gives it another, yeah, I like that look. All right. Just one more little bit. Right. Oh yes. Now that makes a difference. So we just have to make sure it's all in the right place. Pull this one out a little bit. That's it. Oh yes, it looks nice. I like it, I like it. See? Doesn't that make a difference? Oh yeah, that's really nice. Bit of thread. I'm just going to sort this one out. I'm not happy with it. I may have to. That's it. It was caught, that's why. That's it. It's out the way. Yeah. Do you know, I like that. That's really cute. Now, we're just going to get this back on. There we go. Somehow it came off. But that's fine. We can do that and put that back on. Squeeze that together. It's because it's large, it's a little bit awkward. There. Oh yes. It looks fab. I love it. I love it. Absolutely love it. Right, I shall take a photograph of it. I will put the back on. It's just a matter of covering it up, but I think I'm going to use the same material. Yeah, I think I'm just going to use this material to cover that up. I think that's fine. That'll do nicely. And I think that is beautiful. So I'm going to take a photograph of it and you can have a good look yourself. I just like it. I think it's perfect. And something different for a change. I hope you've enjoyed that. Thanks for watching. Take care and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.